Hi friends, my name is Arun Khemani and today I am going to give recommendations for Dognation Business Process Change. This is my final project of the course Data Visualization and Communications with Tableau by Duke University and Coursera. So first let us understand what is Dognation. Dognation is a series of engaging science-based games that reveal your dog's unique way of thinking. So as a part of this course, Dognation has provided us data and we are required to perform data analysis on it and provide them the recommendations for increasing the number of test takers on their website. The goal of our analysis is to increase number of tests users complete on the website by 10% over a period of a month as compared to previous month. Firstly, I have done region-wise analysis which shows us that from which countries Dognations most of its customers belong. So we can see that US is having highest number of customers, followed by Canada, then Great Britain and then Australia. Same we can confirm with the geo map which is given at bottom. So we can see that US is having 1,21,000 customers and Canada is having 7,020. Let's see two of the most populous countries, that is India and China. So India is having 38 number of customers and China is having 52. So we can see that these countries are having very less customer considering their population. So we move on to our next analysis. So basically, Dognation has designed the games based on different subcategories like communication, cunning, empathy, expression game. So among that, empathy, communication, cunning, memory and reasoning are preferred for most of the dogs. Let's go to the second graph. In the first 4 bars, we can see that orange color is filled in maximum, which tells that most dogs prefer empathy based games in their first 4 games. There are also other colors present here, which tells us that there are some dogs which prefer different order of games, and same goes with other categories also. Let's go to our next analysis. In the first graph, we can see that most of the games are played on Sunday and Saturday. And as the weekday progresses, number of games played by the users keeps on decreasing till Friday. That happens because users generally get busier as the weekday starts. In this graph, I have compared weekdays with weekends to see the general trend that at which time users play maximum number of games. So in weekdays, we can see that maximum games are played at 7 p.m. whereas in the case of weekends, maximum games are played at 3 p.m. And the other thing to notice is that the graph of weekends is much more steeper after 6 a.m. compared to weekdays, and this generally happens because most of the users are at home and free during this time. In this graph, the blue color highlighted bars depicts the most frequently played games or the games preferred by most of the dogs. If we see on the other side, dogs have not shown much interest or motivation to complete these games. In the second graph, we can see that the dominant color in each bar shows the game which is played by most of the dogs at particular position. For example, the dominant color in the first bar represents the yawn warm-up game. So it is played at first position by most of the dogs. And we can see that there are other color also present, and that other color represents certain other games. So there are some dogs which are playing games in different sequence. So let's move to our free start analysis. First, let us understand what is free start user. So free start users is basically means customers are given certain number of tests for free, and to continue further they need to buy one of the Dognitions packages. Here we can see that free start users have dropped drastically after 7 tests, and only 5.71% of people have completed 20 tests. Whereas in the case of non-free start users, about only 30% of people have completed the first 20 tests. We can also see that the performance of non-free start users is quite better than free start users, but still they are following the same trend. So on the basis of all the analysis that we have done till now, I have designed few recommendations for Dognition to help them in the future. First one is to run targeted ad campaigns in the regions of Southeast Asian countries like India and China, and make their presence by opening few branches in those countries. Second one is to take feedback from customers about the difficulties which they are facing while playing the games, and on the basis of that redesign and reorder the games. Third one is to motivate and reward dogs and their owners for completing certain number of tests, and conduct dog competition annually which will encourage the users to complete more tests. I hope my recommendations will help the Dognition in near future, and thank you so much for your time.